Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. This customized worksheet is to assist you with a payroll that has employees that work at multiple jobs and multiple rates. Hopefully this video will be helpful, and if you have a worksheet that you need designed to tackle a task like this, please feel free to contact us at westcoastbusiness.ca. Okay, so here is the start of the customized worksheet for employees that work at different positions and different rates. So here is the table that has the employee names, and across the top we have different types of jobs that they work, as well as a vacation pay column for the customized vacation pay that they receive. So each category at the top, you can enter a specific rate for the employee for the different types of jobs that they work. So then when we are complete with that, we can go to the daily hours work tab. So this is a little bit inundating, but so what you do on this page is you select the job type. If the person works the same job every week, then you won't have to select it every time. But so you select the job type, it has the default hours for that person, and then you do the Monday hours, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, and then the following week. So then at the end of this worksheet, it'll summarize how many hours for that person. So this person did 12 hours of tutor, and this person did 12 hours of music. So their total is 24 hours, but obviously they're at different rates. So that's where the complexity of this worksheet comes in. So once you're finished entering everybody's hours for each day and each category, it'll give you the summary of the total hours and hours by category. We'll go then to the payroll input page. So this page gives a summary to your payroll administrator. So this will give, so this first employee is working tutor hours of 12 at a rate of 42 and music hours of 12 at a rate of 35. So then it gives her total gross pay without holiday pay, and then her holiday pay based on the rate that we set, and the total gross is the total plus holiday pay. And then it shows the vacation pay rate here as well. So as you can see, this is a very complex worksheet, but it will quickly summarize the transactions that you need based on all of the variables involved. And then the final page is a summary page. So this just gives the summary by job type and gross, so that you can have a quick look at what you're expecting for your gross pay for that pay period. Hopefully you find this worksheet to be useful. If you do, you can order a copy, or I can work on something for you in a more customized fashion geared towards your business. You can visit westcoastbusiness.ca and send us a note to try and customize something for your needs. Have a great day. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.